Hey, what's going on, y'all? I am back for the 10th unboxing for the channel to look at something that I just got from my FFL again. So let's get into it. I'm excited, but then again, when am I not excited to get something new? So here's the gun. All right, so you get it in the box. There's a magazine, another magazine. These are some floor plates to put on the bottom of the magazines. A lock. I think this is a toolkit right here, and you get some back straps, which are nice. Put that out here, and a snap cap for a dry fire. Put that out there. This thing, and the manual is right here. So, all right, which is pretty nice. Okay, let's get that out. Okay, so this is the CZ P-10C ported. See if I can get that on there so you can see. There it is. As you can see, it has a built-in port or compensator on the barrel and in the gun. I'll talk about that in a little bit. But the reason I got this pistol is because in my shooting experience, now you guys know I'm not really like married to any brand or anything like that. I'm not a quote-unquote fan of anything per se, but CZ is becoming one of my favorite manufacturers for pistols. I do own the CZ P-10F in 45, which I did review not too long ago, and I like this gun a lot. And I know they make a bunch of pistols in 9mm, and I was like, you know what? Let me just go and pick it up. Now, one of the things that did stand out to me is that it is Compton ported. I'm just indifferent on them right now. I'm still trying to figure out where I stand on the Compton ports, but I was like, you know what? Why not? So I'm gonna get into the specs right quick, and let me know what format y'all like as well. I'm trying to get back to my roots, which was doing an unboxing and then going out and doing the review later. But do y'all like it if I do the unboxing and like first shots, or just strictly unboxing and review? Let me know. But as far as the specs, it has a 4-inch barrel, so I would consider this maybe like a compact size pistol. It's probably the right size for concealed carry. So I do like how it feels. It's not too big for me, so I probably would, if I did everyday carry something in 9mm, I would, something like this would be like the largest I would go. 4-inch barrel, of course, I told you it's ported and comped, so not only the slide, but the actual barrel is, ported. So what else? Optic cut for a red dot if you want to. It has these metal sights on here, which are pretty nice as well. Ambidextrous controls for the magazine release. I mean, not the magazine release. Oh, goodness. The slide stop. Slide stop. The magazine release is on the right side, but I believe you can switch it over to the left. And one of the standout features for CZ pistols that I really like, I love the triggers. I also like their texturing on the grip, and I love the high grip angle right here. So the trigger on a CZ pistol it's really nice. You get a nice solid, that travel hit the wall. The wall is very defined. You know you hit it. Then you get the break, and then the reset is really nice, but you also get this audible feel right there. You know you're at that reset, and it's really nice. Very, very easy to fire this gun. I think CZ makes some of the best stock or factory pistols on, I think CZ makes some of the best factory triggers on a handgun out of the box. I also love the high grip angle on here. I love these deep grooves or high angles in the gun, or a beaver tail. I can just get my hand in there and bring it forward and lock it tight, either right or left hand. I really like that a lot. And the texturing, I've mentioned this before, but the texturing, which I do like, the CZ texturing, it's not like a grip tape feel, which is like similar on like my Canic, for example. But on the side, it almost feels like a Glock texturing, maybe like a Gen 5, but the front and back are phenomenal. I love how it feels in my hand. It's really, really feels comfortable to hold this gun and shoot. Now, as far as ammo capacity and things of that sort, it does come with two 15-round magazines. And then you can also get 17-round magazines, which I do have right here. All right, you can see that. Can y'all see that? Yeah, there you go. Wait. Yeah, it don't say it, but it's 17. That's what this floor plate is. So when you get the gun, you get these additional floor plates that you can put on the bottom of the 15-round mags and make them into 17-round mags. So it may not say it on there, but these are 17. All right, but as far as how it is with the mag, it's pretty good. Like the grip is sort of kind of like for my hands, which I think I have average size hands, and especially my fingers. you know, I can grip the gun and I'm good. I don't have a bunch of, let me see if I can get that in there. There it is. You can see like my pinky sort of hanging off a little bit. It's not uncomfortable. If I go either hand, it's fine. All right. But this is with the 15 round mag. With the 17 round mag, I really like, because now I get that extra, you know, toward the grip. So when I hold it here, you see that space. And when I have my dominant hand, I can kind of pull back on this, and I like that as well. It feels really good when I'm, you know, holding this pistol. But I guess that's kind of it, really. I mean, you get a rail, you get a rail for a light on the bottom. So if you want to put a light on here, you can. Now, I don't have a holster for this yet, and I don't have a red dot I want to put on here. I'm thinking either the new Holosun Ames Micro when it comes out, or maybe that new Steiner Arms NPS, the new like compact model. I might get the Holosun because they have gold dots, and I want to try getting a red dot with a gold reticle, if that makes sense. So I'm not sure yet. We'll see. But I'm excited to shoot this gun and give you all my thoughts at some point. But this is it, man. The CZ P-10C ported. These are my initial thoughts right now. I mean, I'll get to the review pretty soon. I'm probably going to buy maybe 1,000 or 2,000 rounds and shoot it and see what I think about it. I might take this to either a competition or a class. We'll see. We'll see. But other than that, man, this is the gun. I'm excited about it. Like I said, I like CZ. They do a lot of good things. So, but let me know what y'all think. Do any of y'all have this gun? Thinking about picking it up? What are your thoughts on it? What are your thoughts on ports, comps? Make sure y'all do subscribe to the channel, like the video, hype, comment, do all those different things, share. And a couple of things, I do have a membership for the channel now, so if anybody wants to join the membership and help me out, that would be great. Also, check out my social media, my Facebook, my Instagram. They're all No Shield Gun Reviews. So that's it. I appreciate y'all, and I'll catch y'all at the full review. Peace.